Trending news. Buhari warns over alleged plot to overthrow his government. The presidency on Tuesday warned that it will deal decisively with any group that does anything to undermine the democratically elected governments in the country, even if some unruly feathers would be ruffled in the process. The presidency also said that it was ready to keep the country together, even if it involves ruffling unruly feathers in the process. The presidency, in a statement issued by the special advisor to the president on media and publicity, Chief Femi Adesina in Abuja, alleged that some persons have planned to hold an illegal conference where a vote of no confidence will be passed on President Muhammadu Buhari. It further said that some highly placed individuals, in collaboration with some religious leaders and their foreign elements, were working hard to undermine the sovereignty and corporate existence of the country. Reacting to the alert earlier raised by the Department of the State Service (DSS), the presidency said that Nigerians opted for democratic rule, adding that the only acceptable way to change a democratically elected government should be through elections. The statement said that the Department of State Service (DSS) on Sunday alerted on sinister moves to misguided elements to wreak havoc on the government, sovereignty and corporate existence of the country. Championed by some disgruntled religious and past political leaders, the intention is to eventually throw the country into a tailspin, which would compel a forceful and undemocratic change of leadership. Furthermore, unimpeachable evidence shows that these disruptive elements are now recruiting the leadership of some ethnic groups and politicians around the country with the intention of convening some sort of conference where a vote of no confidence would be passed on the president, thus throwing the land into further turmoil. The caterwauling in recent times by this element is to prepare the ground adequately for their ignoble intentions, which has designed to cause further grief for the country. The agent provocateur hope to achieve through artifice and sleight of hand what they failed to do through the ballot box in 2019 election. Nigerians have opted for democratic rule, and the only acceptable way to change a democratically elected government is through elections, which hold at the prescribed times in the country. Any other way is patiently illegal and even treasonable. Of course, such would attract the necessary consequences. These discredited individuals and groups are also in chaos with external forces to cause maximum damage. They are on their own country, in their own country. But the presidency already vested with mandates and authority by Nigerians till 2023 pledges to keep country together, even if some unruly feathers would be ruffled the process. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Wow. To me, I think this is rubbish. You can imagine. Rubbish talk from rubbish presidency called Femi Fani-Kayode. People have been saying that if Buhari cannot come out to address Nigerians on his own. Instead of sending presidency said this, presidency said that, presidency said those, presidency said that. To me, it's absolute rubbish. It's absolute rubbish because people are tired of hearing presidency without the real presidents coming out to address the citizens. Yes, tired of it. You can imagine the what they're saying. You can imagine. Nobody is plotting to overthrow any government. Saying that if anybody want to overthrow President Muhammadu Buhari, the person will deal with it and all of that. This is overthrowing anybody. When Igbos are clamoring, when Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for Biafran Republic, these ones are saying presidency, taking over and all of that. You can imagine. Who is fighting for presidency when the real thing has not been done? Presidency. Who have time for that? People are so funny. So funny. Presidency, my foot. When people are they're looking for one way or the other to make sure this insecurity issues is being tackled, is being solved. They're talking about presidency. Presidency that doesn't even exist. Nigeria does not even exist. A country that does not exist, does it need any president or any leader? Absolute rubbish. You can imagine. This is absolute nonsense as far as I am concerned. Nobody is plotting to overthrow any government here. You can imagine. And it's Boko Haram that government should point out to. Boko Haram, that the one that is trying to overthrow them by causing them havoc, by making their administration to be a mess. That the one plotting to overthrow the government. Instead of decimating Boko Haram, it is the people that the government is decimating. Can you imagine that? Bandits, kidnappers, and armed robbers are there. They are everywhere. They're not doing anything about it. They're talking about overthrowing. Since the presidency believes that they are doing wonderfully well, then why the fear of being overthrown? President Muhammadu Buhari's government, indeed, as if he even knows what is going on. Overthrown my nyash. Femi Adesina, take it easy, because life na jeje. You better close your mouth. Small Nigeria is for all of us. It is time for you to give the president good advice and not to be ranting like drunk. Blame the president for mismanaging the mandate given to him by Nigerians and stop looking for one means to blame Nigerians. Fulani men are killing other tribes. The president pretends not to even see anything about it or to hear anything. What do you expect to happen? If they want to take over, they will definitely overthrow you because they are not doing anything that is meaningful. So viewers, your comment will be needed. Thank you for listening to this news. Have a wonderful day. Bye.